Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Checking. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today I will be going to unbox the DURACELL rechargeable power bank for Apple, Android and most USB powered devices. And so guys, as you can see this 3350 mAh, up to 24 hours extra talk on surf time, 1.7x chargers, iPhone 7, approved, carry on. Guys, you can take it to airport. Safety features: pre-charge, fast charge. You can see guys, there's a cable to charge it, and it is written. If you want to read it, you can read. If you want to buy this, go to description and buy this. It is for 1200 rupees. So guys, now let's open it without wasting any further time. So guys, it is open now. I don't know what is this.
So guys, it is out now. Here is the micro USB cable, you can see. It is fully packed, and here is the DURACELL the user manual. DURACELL user manual, if you want to read it, you can do it. And now let's take out the power bank. And now we have to do one thing only. I don't know what is happening. I think we should steer it. Okay guys, as you can see, nothing is happening. Let me take it out. It's still not coming out. Let me make more space for it. Oh guys, it's still coming out. So guys, you can see it is not coming out. It is still there inside. Let's remove the stickers. It is still not coming out. So guys, we have to. So guys, the box is all broken now. I don't know what is happening.
Oh my god, it's finally in our hands. We will throw it. And here is the user manual. And we will throw it. This. Also, you can see here is the power bank. We will turn it on. Now I'll show you how to charge your mobile with this. Take a cable. It is the lightning cable, the iPhone charger, iPhone, iPad you can say, and put it here and put this in your phone. This a phone. And if you want to charge the power bank itself, then put this micro USB cable in there like this. Wait guys, like this, and then this one to the adapter. So guys, here it is the power bank or DURACELL, which looks like a cell. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye.